guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, like I was saying, today we're going to Strawberry Farm, guys. We decided to go to Strawberry Farm, guys, and here we are, guys. We're going to pick up some strawberries, guys, for the day and eat them at home, guys. So look at how big this place is, guys. If you want to go, this Strawberry Farm is in Okahanja. It's on the way to cross Barman, 12 kilometers upwards, and you can see it's at plot 52. So here we are picking some strawberries, guys. It took us a lot of time and it was very hot, guys. We struggled a lot with all these strawberries picking. I was literally staring at the strawberries. I didn't know what to do. I was just freezing, burning hot. But luckily, we had a surprise at the end. Okay, guys, so shall we continue with this video? Guys, look at how big our packets are. You can see them clearly from here, guys. They were very full, guys. Just look at the dog. I stood still. I was literally hiding behind my cousin because the dog was coming out. I was literally about to drop and put all the strawberries down because it was literally running to eat. I was super scared, but luckily it got away with it. And now we are on our way back, guys. We're done with the strawberry picking, and now we are on our way to country club. Me, my mom, my sister, we're just going to country club to have some milkshakes with my dad, and then we continue with the video. So guys, we are now at country club. We've reached there, guys. Here's our milkshakes. We're with our dad. There he is, just enjoying and relaxing ourselves with the nice milkshakes, refreshing ourselves from that hard work we had. And yeah, just coming to the restaurant and all those things. We had a lot of fun there, and after, let's continue with this video. So guys, we are now back home washing our strawberries before we make our strawberry milkshake, because we decided to make a strawberry milkshake just to make ourselves comfortable, you know, tasting it, how it will taste like. It took us a long time to make this happen, and many more things, guys. My sister had to help me because all of the strawberries were too many. Yeah, so we'll continue with this video and I hope you guys enjoy.
So guys, we decided to keep some of the strawberries in the fridge so they don't get bad, and some of you are going to use it for smoothies and some for our lunch boxes. It's always good to stay healthy. $100. Just imagine That's six. That's 6 packets that are freezing, and these are for a smoothie with ice cream.
So guys, we're gonna now make a milkshake with some of the strawberries, guys. So what I put in this milkshake is ice blocks so the milkshake can be a little bit cold, and some ice cream so you can have a little bit of flavor, some strawberries so it can be a little bit sweet, and some milk so it can be a little bit juicy and icky. We now switch it on? Okay, let's switch it on.
So guys, here is the end result. I hope it tastes nice. I do.
This is the final product, guys. This is my mom's. It looks nice. It's not that white-ish because she didn't add more ice cream. My mom doesn't like things that are too sweet. And here's for my dad. Some in a nice bottle, you know, to make it fancy. Here's for my sister. She decided not to mix the ice cream with the milkshake, and I decided that I will mix the ice cream with the milkshake so it can taste more delicious and more appetizing. So here's the final end of everything, and hope you guys like this video. Share and subscribe, and also go to the Strawberry Farm next week or other days so you can try out this new amazing product. Thank you guys.